One ball, one strike.
Come get her. Come on. You got it.
Hey, so far to get.
Get there, girl. Have fun.
Good out.
Two
The
balls,
Empire said we
one
could come
strike.
up here and call compliments to our pitcher if we wanted. Like, Empire said that. We don't have pitchers yet. Yeah, don't go over.
Just like the first one. Get it in there. Give it all you got, girl.
Get out.
How's it on there?
Alright, get a runner. You gotta run fast. Now out. Ready, back up, outfield. You gotta be quick, Eli. Pull that.
They're up there.
Two balls, no strike. Three balls, no strike. Nice, Daniel, out. Let's go, 2 out 3.
Nice pitch.
Go! Three balls, one strike.
Avery, if you get it, you gotta tag. Good stuff.
Might be a Xanax another day.
Another Xanax.
You got this.
Proper hands. What's that? Whoa!
Thank you.
I
got 2 bottles now.
Nothing by you, Ewan.
That's what they make it.
Everything in front. Good snag.
Should be gone.
He's not going anywhere.
That's a rule I don't know. That's one of the rules I don't know.
Be gone.
Good hit, Aniston. Back up, back up! Up your picture, girls! Pay attention!
Yeah. We got 3.
Go, Macy.
Come on, guys, we got this. What out, lady?
Just watch the ball all the way in.
Stop it.
Good. Good job, O.
Good job keeping it in front of you, Elon.
Get well there. Ready, turn it home.
Right now, right there. Let's go.
Two balls, please try.
Run, 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 run.
Get her, get her! Go hustle. Hey, don't wait for that call. You touched it inside the foul line. Don't wait for the call. Just go.
Third base.
You got weight on it. Keep your head in. Let's go. There you go.
You gotta run around there, girl.
We got Lance, don't we?
Try, I'm up. I'm up.
We ain't no good yet.
Holy slide.
Come on.
This one, come on.
Stay back and drive it. Go. Hey, just like we're hitting the net that day off the tee. Let's go. There you go.
Come on.
Way to pop, way to pop.
Right to the ball. Right to the ball.
One ball, get out, get the out. Touch it again, go into one. Plays at one, plays at one. Nice stop.
Me too.
Two balls, two strikes.
One ball.
Go well there.
There you go.
Going. Avery, you gotta be there, Avery.
Come on, come on, come on. With so much skill, you gotta cover.
Don't throw it up there, Avery.
Go well there. You got it.
Well, apparently he's not close now.
Come on, girls, let's get the out.
There you go. Get in there. You ready to run?
Go, Molly.
Go on, buddy.
Go, Molly.
First shot, two.
Pop quick. Way to cover, girls. Way to cover.
Run on your toes, baby. Run on your toes.
There you go!
Slide up, throw it.
You got a little basket.
Two balls, no cross.
Good eye, Molly.
Three balls, no cross.
5, right, June? 6? 5 or 6? 6.
Cross. Three balls, one cross. Look for shot, two!
Move in the ball. Let's go.
We got you, girl. Good throw, good throw. Look for shot, there. You got a runner. Avery, move over.
I mean, 9. They're like all 9. They're all like, they're technically 10, but they're not.
Cross. There you go.
Got it,
Good job, girl. Hey. That's all right.
Go, Morgan! Go ahead!
Don't hold the ball! Go, Morgan! Come on! Morgan!
Come to the burst.
Look for a shot, too! Jump already!
Keep going.
Hit.
Come here, come here, come here.
Good.
Come on, guys!
Where has that been on my line?
No, nobody scored.
Oh, I can't feel the stupid.
Hang on, we'll double check.
Go, 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 go.
Get it, come get it, get it! Yes! Yes!
Good hit, Darren. 7, right, Jim?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
down there?
Go, two.
Catch up! Catch up!
Kid got that one hand over.
Good, Sadie. Good job. Do it again. Stay back. Stay down on it.
Well, I didn't go. Mom said, yeah.
Got two now, ladies. Got two.
Come on, man.
You got this, Avery.
You got two away now. Make it play. Make it play.
They went long that Bub and Amanda can get down. So now
Not bad. Not bad.
Well, they play in the cards. They play in the cards. They're gonna play. Yeah, they beat I guess it's halfway.
Hey, you fit. You fit.
You have to be quick, Avery. You're ready to hit.
Ready, two.
three balls, that's right.
Three on you.
Go, Macy.
Hey, nobody hurt. One, two. Get out.
We changed some home games and
Go,
road games.
go. Ready, left.
Playing home next year.
I'll home games away.
Make a play right here, ladies. Yeah, kid.
That's not even
Good eye. Come on, Macy. Come on, Macy. Give her a target. Give her a target. Come on.
Go, eight.
There's five. Usually 4 or 5. You're right, there's 5.
Good eye, you know, be patient.
First one game's the second one.
You're up on it, you're
The
up.
next one is
Smart.
The first one is the 27th off. And then it's a whole other month we'll play another one. Now we only got
Good eye, be patient.
August 3rd, 8th, and 29th.
Go, Macy. Go, Macy. Go.
That's the schedule right there.
Come on, right down the middle. Go.
Square up,
Coaches don't see what do y'all want? Coaches don't know what
square
happened.
up.
Coaches don't know what happened in the ball.
God.
Kid.
Okay, what's yours?
There you go.
You're still up. You're still
Four.
up.
Let's go.
Count blue, 3-1.
You're ahead of
3-1.
it.
Well, maybe they're saying they ain't gonna have two this week because they can do the last two.
Drive. Good kick.
Avery, wait, wait.
3-2.
Square up, front foot. Here, no. Good eye, good eye.
Get out anybody. Get out anybody now.
Hit him home, Lucy. Come on, Ford. Dig deep now. Let's go.
Good eye.
Over there. Over there, oh.
Good
get it?
So everything's different distance. So there's different amounts. Yeah, so it sounds like the mountain top. That's so like
Raising every pitch. Maybe choke up the same day.
put it back. Set it. Oh my gosh.
Go, Avery.
You're good, Mace.
One ball, one strike.
Throw it hard.
Yeah.
Good eye, good eye.
One ball, one strike. Three balls, one strike.
Let's go, Mace. Don't lose her.
Take a little step back. There you go.
Go, Sarah. Be hitter. Good swing, Sarah.
I know who's outside.
Same thing. That's good swing, Sarah.
First and second, let's go. Uh-huh.
Drive.
Baseball, baseball won yesterday. I mean, it is right to one.
Go, Sarah. Anything close. Be quick. Be quick. Anything
I
close,
know,
Sarah.
right?
You got it.
You got it, all right.
One ball, two strikes.
All right, same thing, Sarah. Anything close, you're swinging. Go, Sarah. Get through. Play back there, Gia. We're going back double.
You gotta back him up. Let's go.
Let's get a good lead.
Now, 1, 2, 3. Fight. Run up the tail.
Like Anna plays first? That's how Anna
Bring it
plays.
back to him.
Anna likes to play first like that.
Throw it hard, Lacey.
Step back, hurt the catch a little bit. I can just step this away. There you go.
One ball, two strikes.
Roach second and third. Just step on it.
Out right here, lady. Watch your out.
Good eye.
Not bad.
Bring it over some. One ball, two strikes. Strike three.
Hey, wow.
I keep you down, lady.
Yeah.
One more. Like put her out. Three. Here we go, double. Be ready.
Okay, Kate, you got this, girl.
Okay, Kate, you got it. Next play now, Dave. Next play.
One ball, two strikes.
One out of where you got to run on the ground. Come get right here now, boy. Get right here.
Good job, Ron. Wait here now. Good job. You're home feed.
Go, Coach. You got to load into that. Bring the feet off a bit. Feet out.
Got it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Number 7 is going in for number 9. Thank you. Have to reread. All right.
All right, Wildfire. 1, 2, 3, girls. Come on, talk it up. Talk it up. Quiet out here. Not a library.
Oh, I agree. That's why
Noel, play the first.
He called it. He called it. Yeah, that's what he called it.
Yeah.
Now, hey, hold it. There was nobody on base. It's ball. No, it's the ball. Not anymore, no. It's still a ball. Good job, Kaylee.
Give all this one. Come on, girl. Real hard.
Good job.
This we got to bring it on.
Come on, come on. Good eye, Ma.
3 balls, 2 strikes.
He got to go along the hole, no? Might as well. I'll just go ahead and win. Come on, Kizzy, you got to come up throwing. Don't get silly. It's done. All the way in. What's that now? Oh, okay.
Go!
Yeah.
One more, two strikes. Walk it all the way in.
Anything close now? You got two.
Run it out, run it out.
Good job. Good job, Morgan.
You hit Morgan. Good job. Way to finish it, Sadie.
Lay on the mat. Yeah, we saw him last night. We didn't come. We saw him. He's on the square. Good throw.
Talk it up!
Look up, come on.
Gotta cover up, come on, guys!
Come on, man.
On them toes, Clyde!
You know where it is. Run hard, go, come on. Tiger, Kizzy, Tiger. Try third, Kizzy, third. Watch your.
Put it down there, man. Go!
That's up.
Back it up! Contact!
Nice play, Ben. Bring the ball. You gotta hold him too, though. Well, watch your team,
Straighten it out. Come on, he touch that. Come on, girl.
Third, his.
You went. Come on. the game. Pass up.
One ball, two try. Hey kiddo, I've got an extra one. If that ball gets wet or anything, you just tell me. I'll give you it, okay? Wait on me.
Hold up, dude.
Wait on me.
No.
Way to go get it, shortstop. Easy cut off.
One place is
Good job. How many outs? One down. Top. One down. Nice job. Nice hit.
Play game, ready? Well, what I mean by that is I just wouldn't know yesterday. And I just went to studio. I wasn't.
Touch it! Bubble!
Well, I didn't put what I mean by that.
two balls, one strike.
That sounds like something she'd say.
Three balls, one strike.
Okay, Haley. You ready, Kate? I'm gonna breathe the whole thing.
You gotta block, Meg. Use your knees right now. Bubble!
Two strikes.
More language for me. Let's go. Work hard, Apple. Work hard.
Ready?
Swing, back up for a while. Right back. Back on over. Get it, get it. Start a little sooner. You're on it.
One ball, one strike. Strike. One ball, two strikes.
Got it, Kaylee.
Two balls, two strikes.
Good job, baby. Let's go. Be quick here. Be ready. You ready right here, Toad?
Strike.
Ready, swing. Swing. Come on. You got it. Wasn't your pitch. That's okay. We're up.
Strike.
Okay, Elin, you got this.
Two strikes.
You gotta fight. You gotta fight now. Good eye, good eye.
One ball, two strikes.
That was potential. He's trying to draw in with that.
Oh, yeah.
Good eye.
Look out.
Let her hit it. Let her hit it. Let's go.
Ready to swing, ready to swing and strike. Swing and strike. Get a fight up there. Get it back. Come on. Strike, kid.
Hey, one more. Let's go.
Let's go. Calling them. Where they are. Get out.
Well done, bro. Hit the ball. Come back. You good? One more, Mason. One more.
One ball, two strikes. He's at home. Yeah, big. Great. Ball game.
Yeah, righty.
What do you have, ma'am? What's the?